Hey guys, welcome back to Smart Trader. This is Paul, and thank you so much for your likes, comment, share, and subscribe my channel. And if you're a new viewer, then definitely go to our channel, watch all these videos. And if you're liking these videos, then go hit the subscribe button to be a part of Smart Trader family. For the ones who want additional services, you can always WhatsApp to 7892652481 or else www.smarttrader.co. So the team will respond to you based on that. So without wasting time, let's go on to the Sentinel. This is a platform provided by Zerodha. So recently I was checking out this platform which has been provided by Zerodha. So it looks pretty good. So I thought I will share the same with you guys. So for the ones for if you want to find this out, just type this sentinel.zerodha.com or just type this word Sentinel, Sentinel. So you will be getting it, and you can log in through your Kite account, that is your Zerodha Kite account. So your name will be appeared here. So it is free up to June 30th for now for you to use and understand it, and if you like it, you can buy it again. Currently I have the pro version. So how this works, firstly before I tell you how this works, this is a very simple platform, and this will help you a lot. For example, you have a strategy, and we have a lot of strategy which we have discussed. So based on those strategies, you need to buy a stock at a particular price. When I say buy above this price, so you should know the stock went above that price. So when I say sell below this price, you should know the stock goes below this price. So in these situations, you won't have time to keep monitoring the stock, or maybe for a short term period you want to buy for for a delivery purpose. So after 3-4 days the stock will go to that particular price. So you can't keep opening the charts every day, every stock, and see did it go, didn't go. So you cannot keep checking. So in those situations, what you can do is you can use this type of alert system. So for example, in this case, you have a lot of options. Let me say just last trader price, the LTP, the current price or the last trader price of a stock, any like Hindalco. Okay, example Hindalco. Here a lot of other options. Says for example equals to, say if the price goes up to 300. I'm just giving an example. I'm not seeing the current price of Hindalco, but I'm saying one day when the stock price goes up to 300, example, give me a trigger. So trigger name would be, as per my strategy, if it is a sell, I would say sell Hindalco. If it is a buy, I will say buy Hindalco. So you can just name this whatever as per your strategy. What action needs to be done, or just mention observe, check paper trading. You can mention your name over here, and you can create such alerts over here. So my triggers by Hindalco, so it will say your current status is active, and whenever it triggers, it will shows how many times it has triggered that price. So like this you can create your triggers based on your strategy. Example, high price, particular any stock which anything like that. So you can create multiple. There are a lot of conditions over here. If you see last traded price, high price, low price, open price, close price, day change percent, intraday change percent. So you have a lot of option, open interest, day high, open. So based on these, you can use your strategies over here and try to set alerts, so you get those alerts and you don't miss your profits. Hope this product is helpful for you guys. So see how this will help you guys, and start observing the market. Don't put your money and waste your money. As I always tell you, observe the market and see how things work for you. Observe these type of alerts, how these alerts will help you out. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, then hit that subscribe button and that like button, and also share this video with all your friends so that this will help them. See you soon in my next video. Bye bye.